Hey, today we're gonna put in SuperATV sway bar shock links. You only have to put one in. We might try to put one in and see how it rides, and then we have a second one that we can put on too. In the package, this is what it'll come with. Bolts to hold it on. Got some bushings, and then this is the shock. It's not actually hydraulic, it's just springs, I believe, inside. But this is it. I'll get ready and we'll install them. I got a 17 millimeter socket. Put this on here. Grab a pair of Nip-X. Not hard. The bottom is also a 17, but without jacking it up, I had to use a hand ratchet. All right, well, I've already put it together because it was trying to figure out how it went. Up here, the longer bolt, one small bushing, and then the large bushing with the tapered ends going towards the shock. And these bolts are 15 out here. The bolt's 15, and the nut's 18. The stock was 18 on both sides. You can see better right there. Right. We'll try this one out, see if one makes a world of difference, and then we might go ahead and add the other one. You can see there's a little bit of articulation here, but I'll try to do a better job getting it on something else. This one might be a little bit better. You can see, at least there is a difference. Okay, I've already put the passenger side on. I'm gonna go ahead and put a driver's side on because a lot of guys in the comments said that it just makes it that much better. To get the factory sway bar end link off, it's a number 17, and then I grabbed it with a pair of Nip-X or channel locks. There's probably a wrench size for that. Helps if you use the right socket. Strip it out. Same thing down here. maybe somebody in the comments would be able to tell me. They got holes through them. Can you just take the nuts off and put pins through them so you can disconnect them quickly? That would have been nice to know before, but if anybody knows if that's why that's there, just let me know in the comments. This is how I get cut. It has the two little ones up here, but I don't see how it would work that way, so I'm gonna do it the way I did the other one. The short bolt, it's a 15 and this is a 17 millimeter. Tapers into the inside. Both sides. If I'm doing this wrong and somebody knows it, please. I cannot find instructions. There's a SuperATV short, but it's using their trailing arms and it just looks different than what I got here. Again, the bolt head is 15. The nut is a 17 on the SuperATV hardware. All right, that's it, and now we'll try.